car check is going to be Team Ravage and Rap Attack. Where's my Ravinator fans at?
I should have said no.
Settle down. You'll be all right.
I'm scared.
Here, watch. Watch. You'll love it. Watch. Watch. Here he goes. We got the best spots in here.
Rap Attack is lining up on the line.
Down there is where the danger is.
17
Because sometimes the cars fall over.
Team Ravage lining it up along the stony line.